Digital media play an ever-increasing role in class. This means a great adjustment for the teachers especially. In order to prepare them for media-based classes, since 2016 the Leibniz-Institut für Wissensmedien has the Tübingen Digital Teaching Lab. In the TüDiLab, teachers experience the potential digital media has for learning and teaching. They learn how to use them sensibly and which competences they and their students need for them.
Die Lehrkräfte sind eben nicht mehr so sehr
The teachers are no longer mainly mediators of information. Rather, they are responsible for supporting students in self-regulated learning. That is, instruct. How can the digital medium be used to gain a better understanding of various subjects?
zu gelangen. Diese Unterstützung besteht eben darin, dass zum Beispiel Schülerinnen und
For
Schüler
example, they support students by showing them which information is relevant when using the internet. How can I assess which sources to use? But also, how can I steer a simulation sensibly in order to arrive at the intended learning outcome?
sinnvoll steuern, damit ich tatsächlich zu meinem gewünschten Lernergebnis komme.
This new role takes practice, as does using the various media: digital whiteboards, notebooks, tablets, and smartphones. In the TüDiLab, teachers-to-be try out digital teaching concepts practically, and they can develop them further.
Also, was uns extrem wichtig ist, ist eben Theorie und
It's extremely important that we combine theory and practice so that both students aiming to become teachers and experienced teachers get the opportunity to test the use of media within their lessons. On the one hand, we talk about theories, and on the other, we put them to use immediately. For example, there are small projects within the classroom in which small groups of students can plan and practice the use of media in their lesson.
ihren Einsatz im Unterricht planen können und auch durchführen in Kleingruppen.
Besides further educating teachers, the TüDiLab enables researchers to study the characteristics and effects of media-based classes with the students. For this purpose, the simulated classroom is equipped with high-tech, such as eye trackers, which record the students' eye movements. This basic research can give hints on how digital learning material has to be designed.
Wir erhoffen uns natürlich hier erstmal eine Kombination von ganz unterschiedlichen.
We hope for a combination of very different research methods about teaching. That is, we can see how students learn, which cognitive processes are going on there. But also, how is this influenced by what is going on in class? What influence do teachers have? How do students interact with teachers and vice versa when it comes to teaching with digital media?
Umgekehrt beim Lernen mit digitalen Medien.
The TüDiLab is a cooperation of the University of Tübingen and the IWM. It adds to the opportunities offered at the Tübingen School of Education and explores entirely new ways in teacher training.
Die Tübingen School of Education ist praktisch der Versuch,
The Tübingen School of Education is an initiative to widen the scope of teacher training and to explore new areas that so far have played no role in teacher training. The IWM's TüDiLab focuses on a very important topic, namely the use of digital media in the classroom. It is a great challenge for the future, and it is therefore the right time for us to be taking this up now.
mehr als zeitgemäß, dass wir in Tübingen uns jetzt hier auch darum kümmern. Große Chance.
It is a great opportunity for teacher training, but also for teachers who are already teaching. With the IWM, we have an outstanding, strong and competent research partner. All in all, a great thing.
This way, the Tübingen Digital Teaching Lab will make an important contribution to preparing teachers for the use of digital media in their classes.